Hello everybody, I am Dr. Rehan Sabir Momin. I am a colorectal surgeon working in Maven Medical Center, which is located in Hyderabad city of India. And here we are going to speak about the fissure in ano and this treatment with the help of using lasers. Fissure in ano is a very common entity where the patients will feel a lot of pain while they pass stools or when they sit or on a chair or on a hard surface. Actually, the fissure is a cut or a tear in the anodome, in the anal region. And because that area is so much sensitive, the patient will have they feel that pain, a lot of severe pain, as if somebody is cutting the butt with a razor, to the extent that they can not even sit on the plane surface. And the patient get into agony and they get worried about, because their whole routine life get disturbed because of this problem. They are unable to focus on their work, the family, and because of that the whole family gets involved in that, in taking care of him or her. And we have a solution for this. Let us understand what exactly happens because of this fissure. Before that, let me tell you that this fissure in ano, it causes due to the chronic constipation, that's difficulty in passing stools or passing of hard stools or incomplete stools. And secondly, it is due to prolonged sitting. When we sit for a long time, even that can cause rise to the fissure in ano. And because of this tear in the anodome, the muscles which are inside, we call it as sphincter muscles. They are the locking system of our anus. There are two muscles, external and internal muscles, and that the internal sphincter muscles, they give for a spasm as a reflex mechanism that the body develops in order to avoid the pain because of this existing fissure. So the muscles, they will go for a spasm, and because of the spasm, again the patient get involved in the cycle that they land up in more constipated stools. And this cycle will keep on, this is a vicious cycle which keep on repeating itself. So as a doctor, as a surgeon of this specialty, we need to break this cycle. Somewhere it has to be discontinued. So the only solution that is universally accepted is by doing a small procedure. We call it as a sphincterotomy. So the sphincter muscles are being cut at one point of about half or 1 centimeter. Because of that, the spasm breaks away and the patient's sphincters get relaxed. So once the sphincter get relaxed, the pain will come down and the ulcer will get rest. So once the ulcer get rest, the fissure get rest, it starts healing. And it takes about 4 to 6 weeks for the healing to occur. So this procedure earlier we used to do with a scissor, with a blade, but nowadays because of the introduction of the laser, diode laser, which are more patient-friendly tool, we use the laser machine to cut the sphincters, whereby it's very precisely cut, and post-operatively the pain factor is not as much as we used to have it in the conventional method, and the patient can be discharged on the same day. He can do the routine work, but he may feel some discomfort if he sit for a long time. So we ask the patient to take a rest at least for 5 to 7 days. But there is no need to lie on the bed or to discontinue the routine work. So if you know anybody in your family or friend or neighborhood who is suffering from pain in the anus, he might be suffering from because of the fissure in ano, and we are available here in Hyderabad city to help him out. So kindly reach us at Maven Medical Center, Hyderabad. Thank you so much.